Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today I'm going to do a rundown, guys, on exactly why price went towards the downside. I do have a minor sore throat, so if you do see my voice a little bit cracky, just go with the flow today, okay, guys? So basically what we were trying to see is price going towards the upside. We were looking for that liquidation, and this is that liquidation. We wanted to see the fair value gap get back into structure, and then we wanted to see price go towards the upside, okay? And when we look at this detailed structure, let's look at it from the very top over here, guys. So you can see clearly, guys, price was going towards the downside. It respected the previous high, okay? And again, right here, guys, it respected the previous high. Right here, it did not respect the previous high. As you guys can see, we had a beautiful liquidation. This is where you can look at your RSI divergence from the top of this move to the top of this move and see if you had a divergence that were correlating to price towards the downside, which we did, okay? So that's why we did see price go towards the downside. The other idea that I want you guys to understand is these fair value gaps need to be filled. If prices did go up, guess what? It needed to come back down in the longer term. It's better to fill the fuel for the rocket now before prices start to go towards the upside. The reasons why I'm making this video now, guys, is to tell you guys I am starting to look to buy right here. I might not wait for these lows to be hit because sometimes price can go towards the upside, then come back down. So it's best to start to, accumulate more Ecomi tokens as an investor as well, guys. And the reasons why I put this module in, I told you guys I'm only looking to sell in the long-term perspective because this needs to get filled, is because take a look at what I'm trying to show you here. When we have a huge move towards the upside and we do have a pullback, and this right here is like the Fibonacci retracement. Once you put the low towards the top, you could see we're seeing a retracement. You could get a 50, you could get a 61.8, and you could clearly see from this bullish candle, we are getting that retracement. What did I do? And I told a lot of my students to actually do this behind the scenes as well. It's very simple. If we had a huge move towards the upside and I'm looking for prices to go to the downside, every single pullback after we have a break of structure and change of character, each pullback, I'm looking for shorts, and those shorts are coming towards an area where the fair value gap is located. And you could see here, guys, where the fair value gap is right here on the bottom here and over here. So I've highlighted it with this line right here, and you could see it's right there, the fair value gap. So this module, or this idea of price going towards the upside, even though we are bullish, right? This is the sentiment of the structure. We're absolutely bullish, but each time structure on the lower time frames got broken, right here, a break of structure and change of character, we looked for shorts after the pullback. And we were looking for the pullback of the 50 and the 61.8, and of course looking for the extensions to give us that rational idea towards the downside. Reasons why I'm saying start to look to buy here, guys, is very good levels, and of course we get a wick. What I'm trying to say once again, guys, if prices break below, so you see this structure right here we have located right here, and this blue candle, take a look at it, and this image right here. Prices right here, guys, if prices break below that structure with the body closed below the previous candle's wick as well, then guess what? We are starting to be very bearish. This is a sign that price might go even lower. If prices stop just before that wick, or it gives us a wick instead, but it does not close below that wick, this is telling me there's a lot of buyers in this area. And this is what I was trying to mention. There's a lot of buyers, and this could be a liquidity sweep right here. And this could give us price action for price to go even higher towards the upper bands of the order block, okay? And this is what we're trying to look for. We're looking for that sweep. We are bullish. Once again, guys, we are bullish. We're within this candle. We already got a 61.8 or 78% retracement. These are great levels, once again, to buy. If you are waiting for a little bit lower levels, sure, why not? Put your limit orders on the bottom, wait for the price to come towards those levels. What I'm looking for, once again, guys, if prices break below, then of course I'm going to start to look bearish. But right now, at this very moment, if you are executing a long-term advantage trading strategy of an investment, guess what? Start to buy your Ecomi tokens. These are great levels, and I do believe Ecomi is going to go to the moon. Once again, guys, the reasons why price went down is we talked about this. These fair value gaps need to get filled before prices go towards the upside. If you guys do like these videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is not financial advice. This is just my advice, and I wanted to give you guys this video because you guys are special, and I want to make sure you guys win. Other than that, thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.